Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. We are back again for the same car, 2010 E90. We have the funny thing on this car that we have misfire on cylinder number 6. We finished, the injector was no good. We changed the injector. After that, the misfire went away 70%, so we have 30%. The 30%, when the car is running, you're gonna hear like a cut off, like a small misfire, tick, tick. And when we checked, we found that still cylinder number 6 have a rate of a little bit misfire. Right now, I don't see no misfire. Like it's like clean. But what happened is we have to change the engine computer. We put an engine computer. Now cylinder number 6 misfire is gone. It's no more. But you're gonna see a general misfire, like one every 2 times, small misfire. So let's go ahead and see what value of that misfire is before you go further, because there is a technical service bulletin. There is a technical service bulletin that recommend to replace the spark, the spark plug, no, the ignition coil with the Delphi ignition coil. There is a technical service bulletin. I will bring it to you here. So let's see now and check to see if there is any, like any code or how is the value of the misfire. I'm gonna do auto detect right now as I'm sitting. There is a small misfire. Also, we have this one. We need to reset it. You remember what I told you about the brake? Yeah, the brake. The handbrake. Or so I'm gonna try. It doesn't want to take it, so I will try one more because the interface was not communicating.
Yeah, you have a.
If you put your hand, you're gonna feel misfire every 10 seconds.
Feel it.
And this misfire will not turn the check engine light on, I believe. I will say, okay, this is the car, 2010 E90 3 Series 328i XI N51. The engine is N51. I'm gonna say yes. Then it will take some time before it's go into yeah, you see that now? Yeah. But this is not showing which one, but it's a random misfire and very small. It's very, very small. You see, like the car running fine. Then when they are hot, the technical service bulletin say that when the system is hot, you're gonna hit those BMW coils, they will start collapse. Yeah. They will start misfiring. So they say it's recommended to replace it with. It is recommended to replace. Okay. Meanwhile, I just want to read the data. How? Okay. Okay. This is a technical service bulletin, and it says that you have to change Bosch and Delphi. The technical service bulletin, it says that you must replace it with the Delphi coils. If you have this kind of problem, misfire not picking up, okay, this is the car. So please consider that one. Considering this technical service bulletin is very important, especially on this car. So I'm gonna go to diagnose, auto scan. No, control unit. I just want to check engine computer. Wow, it says no communication with the engine computer. Oh, this is a diesel one. Okay, DDE engine diesel. I'm supposed to communicate with this one. I don't know why. Go back. Yeah, this is a computer. So let me take to this one. I'm supposed to communicate with the engine computer. Very simple. Because I already read the VIN number. Why I'm not communicating with the engine computer? That's weird. I'm gonna go to AutoScan to see. DD engine electronic diesel. Car is running. I'm not seeing the engine computer. Are you serious?
I feel like it's saying.
Yeah, but I don't know. I'm trying to communicate with the engine computer. It doesn't want to communicate.
Let me try this one out.
You want to try the smaller? This one should see it, but we're gonna look at it one more. Oh, you want, bring the small one then. The small one also is good. We have another version of hotel. So let me see. I don't see engine computer here, so I'm gonna turn this one off. Okay, I know why. Because I update I update the computer. I never turn it off. But bring the other one. Okay, we're gonna put this one here, very small one.
Things that I know how to do.
Okay, bring it here. Because I do video recording. I'm gonna do it for you quick. Yeah. This also Maxi. Maxis. But this is Maxi MS906. And that one Maxi IM608. They all have a little bit of functionality, but any one of them, some of them are different. Let me go back from here. Diagnose.
Ben, go.
No, I have the history.
Oh.
Because I looked at it last time. 2010.
Oh, you use it quite a bit. I play a bowler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I use it.
Yeah.
And that we have a Misfire. Those are the Misfire I have. Brake pad wear.
Indicator.
Yeah, brake pad wear and oil level. All this we have it, so I gotta go here. That's the first time when I diagnose it. I will say yes. Let's communicate. Wait 10 seconds, I will say okay. I don't want to do that, but it didn't want it.
Yeah. Sometimes it's BMW. You know the Durango does go to sleep. Sometimes you could leave it and you have to disconnect the battery.
Huh?
Yeah, I thought something.
But I realized that this tool, it takes a little longer. They all take the same time to. It depends on cars, from car to car.
But you see, I took the course in the back of things. So.
Hold on. Chassis E90. Okay. Number 1. Okay, diagnose. Control unit.
Engine. Oh, that's it.
Drive. More electronic. Here I have only 2 DME, engine more electronic. On that one he bring me diesel and another one.
Yeah.
On that is more bigger. Right now you can hook up 2 scanners and look at both of them.
That's what I was wondering if it's
You can see in one,
damage anything.
another no. It's just communication line.
Good.
This one is gonna be one of computer too.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a computer. Oh, you see, engine no communication.
Oh.
That's weird.
Wow.
That's weird.
Sorry, next
So
one.
let me try, because remember before he said let everything sleep down
Yeah.
and then try it maybe.
I lost this thing. I left it in a car. That's why I put this on the screen.
Huh?
I left this in a car. You
Which
wouldn't believe how much money for that thing. 500 or something.
You left it.
In a car, yeah.
That's interface.
Just when I was going to buy it, customer bought it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you put this long piece on it.
Yeah, so whenever I come in a car,
Okay, let me see again.
put this through here. And I hook it like that.
Let me do something here.
You could never drive off with this one.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so you tied it here.
Yeah, so
So he cannot drive with it.
Can't drive
Wow.
with
So that's why when you forget something, you never forget again.
Yeah.
You put it here so the customer will not go with it.
Oh, yes.
What happened there? That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm not able to communicate with this. That's very weird though. We don't have this problem before. Now I'm communicating. Read quote.
Yeah, these BM is like that. Okay, there.
You see,
6?
cylinder number 6.
Yeah, I thought it feel just like this, just like before. I felt this.
So if that's the case,
Okay, what did you change?
okay, the injector number 6
You
was
swap it?
no, we put a new one.
You put a new one.
When we put a new one, there is no misfire. Everything gone. 95% of the misfire is gone. Now we have a small, tiny misfire. That small, tiny misfire, I move the coil and the injector into another. I take injector number 1 and coil number 1 and swap them. Still have the same
Take
issue.
the plug.
So now,
Yeah, let me take that plug.
not only plug out. Now I change the engine computer, thinking that could be the engine computer drive have an issue. Now it's still also, when I put it in, everything is okay, and now misfire is like general, but now it look like he have it in the memory that number 6 still has it.
Oh my, that's
So now let me go back and see data. You see data, it will give us more idea, right? They call smooth operation.
you have a contribution.
Hold on, smooth
Smooth operation you're going?
yeah, let me go now to start it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you have a smooth operation. Now we're gonna start it.
I don't know what the hell that was.
Yeah, now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. You see, this is number 6. You see, if it's move a little bit, it will go 1, 2. You see now, you see?
Yeah. Come up there. Still on the high.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's fluctuating big time.
All of them fluctuating, but sometimes before they don't fluctuate. Everything in the top is good, but number 6, when he pull, it make more. When you do like this, number 6 go to 3, -3. Now we're gonna see who's gonna do it. See?
You record?
Yeah, you see?
You
When you
record
do
now?
like that, number 6 go to 3.
You record now?
Yes, I'm recording.
When you finish recording, let me check it.
Yeah. You see, when it hit, when it shake, number 6 go -3.
Oh. You was here.
You see, -3. That's 3.84. It's too much. So still we have number 6 having the same issue. So it looks like number 6 is still having the same issue. It's pulled out. So let's work on it and see what happened.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
What do you want to do now?
I want to see, give me a computer.
Yeah, okay. So on that number 6, we change the engine computer, and still we have number 6 misfire. So I don't know if Delphi coils will fix that problem or not. That's the only thing based on the technical serviceability. So we're gonna look at that to begin. We are going to look at that one, and now we see what happened. So that we change the computer, we change the coils, we change spark plug. We're gonna change the spark plug, coil, injector, and see what happened. Thank you for watching.